Welcome back. Today we're exploring the top blenders that are taking the kitchen by storm. Let's take a closer look at the best of the best. Now, let's talk about the first product on our list, the Vitamix 5200 blender. This is a powerhouse in the blender world, known for its professional-grade performance and durability. If you're serious about healthy cooking, this is the blender you want in your kitchen. The Vitamix 5200 is built to handle a wide variety of tasks, whether it's making smoothies, soups, sauces, or even nut butters. It features a 64-ounce container, making it perfect for preparing medium to large batches. The 1380-watt motor is one of the most powerful you'll find in any blender, allowing you to easily tackle tough ingredients, from frozen fruits to leafy greens. One of the standout features of this blender is the ability to make hot soups. The blades are designed to spin so fast that they create friction heat, which brings cold ingredients to steaming hot in just 6 minutes. This is a game changer for anyone who loves fresh, homemade soup. The variable speed control gives you complete control over your blends. Whether you want a silky smooth smoothie or a chunky salsa, you can adjust the speed to get the perfect texture every time. Plus, the hardened stainless steel blades are designed to stay sharp and handle even the toughest ingredients. Cleaning this blender is super easy as well. With its self-cleaning feature, all you need to do is add a drop of dish soap and warm water, and the Vitamix 5200 will clean itself in just 30 to 60 seconds. No more scrubbing or hand washing. Customers rave about the durability and performance of the Vitamix 5200. It's built to last for years, and you can count on it for consistent, smooth results. Whether you're blending smoothies, soups, or sauces, this blender can handle it all. And with its 7-year warranty, you're covered for the long haul. However, one thing to note is that while the Vitamix 5200 is extremely powerful, it can be a bit loud. But with such strong performance, that's a small price to pay. The results speak for themselves. Smooth, delicious blends every time. Now moving to the second product, the Blendtec Total Classic Original Blender. This powerful and versatile blender is a game changer for your kitchen. With its vibrant 4-side jar red color and sleek stainless steel construction, it's both stylish and durable. Equipped with a 1560-watt motor, this blender can handle anything from creamy smoothies to hearty soups. Its 6 pre-programmed blend cycles ensure perfect results for smoothies, sauces, and more, while the 75 Oz jar offers ample space for family-sized portions. The vented lid seals liquids securely and allows pressure to escape when blending hot soups. Customers rave about its incredible blending power, capable of tackling tough ingredients like nuts and seeds with ease. The flat panel design is not only modern, but also makes cleaning quick and simple. Many users love how this blender fits perfectly under cabinets, saving counter space. Whether you're a busy parent, a home cook, or a health enthusiast, the Blendtec Total Classic Original Blender is a perfect choice. While some find it a bit noisy, its efficiency and power more than make up for it. Plus, its dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup a breeze. Let's talk about the Ganiza Smoothie Blender, a powerhouse for anyone who loves smoothies, shakes, and other blended treats. With a peak power of 1100 watts, this blender uses an upgraded full copper turbocharged motor to deliver 25,000 RPM of speed, making it faster and stronger than most blenders out there. It's simple to use yet packs a punch in performance. This blender comes with 2 preset intelligent programs designed for smoothies, 60 seconds, and salsa, 45 seconds. These programs combine unique pulsing patterns to get the job done quickly and effectively, so you don't have to worry about overprocessing your ingredients. One of its standout features is the adjustable speed control, giving you full flexibility to blend softer or tougher ingredients to your desired texture and consistency. Whether you're working with soft fruits or ice, you have complete control for the perfect smoothie every time. The 6 stainless steel blades are built for durability and precision, effortlessly crushing ice and blending tougher ingredients. It's perfect for creating everything. If you've been looking for a blender that combines power and versatility, the Ninja Detect Power Blender Pro is here to impress. This blender is not just for smoothies, but it can help with food prep, frozen drinks, and much more. Let's take a closer look. Starting with its 1800 peak watt motor, this blender can power through tough ingredients with ease. It comes with BlendSense technology, which automatically adjusts speed and time for perfectly smooth blends every time, making it super user-friendly. With a 72 Oz full-size pitcher, you can make large batches of smoothies for the whole family. The total crushing and chopping blade assembly ensures that your ice and veggies are crushed and chopped to perfection. Whether you're preparing salsa or making frozen drinks, this blender has got you covered with single-touch preset programs for added convenience. You'll also love the variable speed dial that gives you complete control over your blends with 10 different speed settings. For on-the-go convenience, it includes two 24 Oz single-serve cups with spout lids, perfect for your morning smoothie. Customers absolutely love the blend quality, power, and ease of cleaning. One user shared, "I can make 2.5 days of smoothies in just 15 minutes, which saves so much time." It's easy to clean. Just spray it down, rinse, and dry with a soft cloth. Many also appreciate the value for money, considering how well it performs at a much lower price than high-end blenders. While it can be a bit loud and the blades are very sharp, so be careful, most customers feel the power and consistency of the blend are worth it. One reviewer even said, "It's the best blender I've ever purchased. Highly recommended." Now, moving on to the fifth product, we have the NutriBullet SmartSense Blender Combo in gunmetal gray, packed with impressive features that make blending smoother and easier. This 1400-watt powerhouse is designed for versatility with two blending sizes: the 64 OZ pitcher for large batches, and the 24 OZs and 32 OZ cups for single servings. Whether you're blending nut flours or making your favorite smoothies, this blender adapts to your needs. One standout feature is its smart auto cycle that senses the ingredient load and automatically adjusts the speed, time, and function, ensuring you get the smoothest results every time. With precision speeds ranging from 1 to 5, you have the control to blend everything to perfection. No straining required. The 1400-watt motor delivers the power needed to handle everything, from light pulses to full throttle blending. Plus, the intuitive interface with simple buttons and a clear display makes it incredibly easy to operate. Customers rave about how easy it is to use, the great build quality, and the quiet performance compared to earlier models. Some mention that the noise level could be an issue if you're trying to listen to the TV while blending, but the overall performance makes up for it. Included in the package: the 1400-watt motor base, 64 OZ blender pitcher, pitcher lid with pour spout, deluxe easy twist extractor blade, 32 OZ cup, 24 OZ handled cup, 2-to-go lids, tamper, recipe book, and a user guide. Cleaning is a breeze as the pitcher and cups are all dishwasher safe. Overall, the NutriBullet SmartSense Blender Combo offers power, precision, and ease of use, making it a must-have for blending enthusiasts.